Having some issues with this MTD lawnmower. As I recall, I got this one off Craigslist from a gentleman, and I paid less than $120 for it. But the issue is, he said that it needed a battery, and after bringing it home, I checked the battery, and the battery was measuring 12 volts. And it's a fairly new battery. It was installed in April 2013. So it's a fairly new battery, so there's no reason why this battery should not be good. But anyway, this is what I'm getting. I'm getting a click, nothing. So it's like no power is going to the starter at all. So I suspect that this little module here is probably the culprit, and I need to do some troubleshooting to determine that. The screws look pretty rusty. I'm going to take it off and just clean all the connections and try to reconnect it and see if I can get this thing to kick over. I may even try to jump it out. I didn't want to do that, but I may, just to see if I can at least get it to click, so I can determine if it's a module or an issue with the starter itself. But anyway, it looks like the module, because the starter is not even trying to do anything, just get it to click and nothing at all. So I'm going to do that. The screws look pretty rusty underneath there. I'm just going to take it off, clean it off, and see what happens.